Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, your teacher, your friend. So in today's video, I'll be giving you the answers of the chapter Brave Girl from the book Pristine English Class 5. So the chapter 5, The Brave Girl. So this is the chapter, The Brave Girl, and today I'll be doing the part D, answer these questions. So there are 5 questions here, so I'll be telling you the answers. So question number 1, what physical disabilities did Helen suffer from? And the answer is Helen Keller suffered from both blindness and deafness. Question number 2, who was Annie Sullivan? Annie Sullivan was Helen Keller's teacher and friend. She played a crucial role in helping Helen overcome her disabilities and learn to communicate. Now, question number 3, how did Annie teach Helen the alphabet? Annie Sullivan taught Helen the alphabet by tracing the shape of the letters on her palm. Question number 4, how did Helen understand the meaning of words? Answer is Annie wrote the word water on Helen's palm and poured water on it repeatedly until Helen realized what the word meant, thus making the connection between words and objects. Question number 5. What do you think were the best of qualities of Helen's character? Write briefly. So the answer is Helen Keller's best qualities were courage and determination. She never gave up despite her challenges and was eager to learn and make the most of her abilities. And last question, what lesson can we learn from Helen's life? So the answer is from Helen's life we can learn to never give up in the face of challenges. Her story teaches us the importance of courage, determination, and ability to seek guidance and support when needed. So viewers, in the next video, I'll be giving you some extra questions of the same chapter, The Brave Girl. So I request you to all please kindly subscribe my channel and click on bell icon to get notified about new videos. Thank you so much.